In the next update, let me tell you the Bar Council of India has issued a strong advisory warning students and the general public against enrolling in LLM or equivalent postgraduate law programs being offered by several universities through online, hybrid, distance, or part time modes without BCI's regulatory approval. These unauthorized courses often carry names like LLM Professional, Executive LLM, or MSc in Cyber Law and are increasingly being marketed to non-law graduates and working professionals. But the BCI has made it clear that these programs are illegal unless formally approved and will not be recognized for any academic, professional, or employment purposes. The advisory follows a report submitted by retired Justice Rajendra Menon, the co-chair of BCI's Legal Education Committee. The report highlighted that some leading law schools and universities, including NLIU Bhopal, IIT Kharagpur, OP Jindal Global University, and NLU Delhi, have been offering such programs without the council's approval. Show cause notices have already been issued to many institutions, and more are in the pipeline. Justice Menon also wrote to all high courts requesting them to reject any appointments, promotions, or academic decisions based on qualifications obtained through these unauthorized courses. He emphasized that any candidate seeking advancement based on an LLM or equivalent degree must submit a confirmation that the course had BCI's prior approval as per the legal education rules of 2008 and 2020. The BCI has now directed that all universities immediately suspend any such LLM or equivalent program running in violation of the rules and submit a compliance report. It has also warned against the misuse of LLM titles, stating that using protected academic terms without permission is a deliberate attempt to mislead students and undermine the integrity of legal education in the country. So, students are advised to thoroughly verify the legal status of any advanced law program before enrolling. Degrees obtained through unrecognized online blended or executive law courses will not be valid and may jeopardize academic and career opportunities.